Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and the plugin we'll be checking out today is Dynamic EQ by Initial Audio. So if you're looking for a free alternative to Fab Filter Pro Q3, this is a plugin you should check out. Dynamic EQ plugin is currently available for free from the company's official website, and it is free until March the 31st. It is a parametric equalizer with multi-band compression, and each band has a built-in compressor, and precise frequencies can be dynamically cut or boosted by setting the threshold. Alright, let's quickly have a demo while we go through the features. And looking at the interface, it has a little bit of similarities with Fab Filter Pro Q3. Over here you can see factory presets it came with. Here they have the bypass button. Here you can save your own presets, and here you can change the color scheme, as you can see. Alright, let's quickly test this plugin using the factory presets here. And as you can see, you can expand and compress with this feature right here. Alright, let's check out the other factory presets. Alright, that will be the much we can take for the demo. Now, there are a few things I observed. Here, you can adjust the size of this plugin, and secondly, they don't have the option to just listen to the frequency you're working on, delta a certain frequency, just to hear that. And secondly, you can switch between side and mid. I've not been able to see that option here. If it is existing, maybe I've not figured it out. So guys, that will be it for today's video. I'm just trying to bring out this plugin to your notice. If you haven't come across it, please do get it now, because it's only free until 31st of March. Download it, try it out, and let us know what you think in the comment section.